Have you ever wondered how people earn money while working from the comfort of their home? What if I told you there are digital income streams that require nothing more than a laptop and an internet connection, and they can start bringing in money immediately? Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or even build a full-time business, the possibilities in 2026 are endless. In today's video, we'll explore 5 digital income ideas you can start right now, and you don't need any prior experience to get started. These methods are accessible, scalable, and perfect for anyone ready to take control of their financial future from home. Ready to start earning? Let's dive in. 1. Selling digital products and printables. Are you creative, or do you have an eye for organizing information? Selling digital products is one of the simplest and most effective ways to start earning money online. With platforms like Etsy and Gumroad, you can create products once and sell them repeatedly without dealing with the hassle of managing inventory. High-demand digital items in 2026 include Notion dashboards, digital planners, and specialized worksheets, things that people need to stay organized, productive, and efficient. You can design these products for free using tools like Canva, which has a user-friendly interface and pre-made templates for beginners. Once created, you simply list your items on these platforms, and they're ready to sell to a global audience. The beauty of this model lies in its passive income potential. After uploading your products, the sales can continue without much effort on your part. Whether you're offering planners to help with productivity or digital stickers for creativity, this is an income stream that works even while you sleep. One of the key factors in scaling this business is diversifying the types of products you create. As your experience grows, you can experiment with different designs and explore multiple niches, allowing your income to increase exponentially. 2. AI content creation and management. Are you someone who spends a lot of time on social media? Or perhaps you're familiar with creating engaging content. Now, AI tools are revolutionizing content creation, and businesses are relying on them more than ever. Many companies are in desperate need of help managing their social media presence, but they lack the time or resources to do it themselves. That's where AI content creation and management comes in. By using AI-powered tools, you can generate reels, posts, and captions for businesses, and help them maintain a consistent online presence. Platforms like LinkedIn are great for finding business owners who will pay a monthly retainer for profile management. You don't need to be a social media expert. AI can assist you in creating high-quality content without spending hours on it. This method not only offers flexibility in terms of work schedule, but also provides the freedom to work from anywhere. The key is to develop a strategy and optimize the use of AI tools to generate content that attracts attention and engagement. As you build relationships with clients, you'll start earning consistent income from just managing their online profiles. One major advantage of AI content creation is its scalability. As you gain experience, you can handle multiple clients and increase your rates, making this a lucrative passive income stream. By setting up automated processes, you can work smarter, not harder. 3. Affiliate marketing via short-form video. Have you ever recommended a product you love to a friend and imagined earning money for it? That's exactly what affiliate marketing is. Earning commissions by promoting products through short-form videos on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you don't need a website or even a large following to get started. You can simply join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or niche software programs such as Shopify. Once you sign up, you get unique links that track sales made from your recommendations. All you have to do is include these links in your bio or video descriptions. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Affiliate marketing is incredibly flexible and low risk. The more creative and engaging your videos are, the higher the chances are that your audience will click on your links and make a purchase. You don't need to worry about creating your own product or handling customer service. Your job is to promote products that align with your audience's interests. This makes affiliate marketing a hands-off income stream with massive potential. As your following grows, so does your affiliate commission. What's even better is that short-form video affiliate marketing is incredibly automated. Once your video is live, it's available 24/7, continuing to generate income while you sleep. By consistently posting engaging content, you can build a strong affiliate revenue stream with little extra work. You don't need to worry about inventory, handling customer service, or fulfillment. Affiliate marketing takes care of all of that for you. 4. Digital asset and domain flipping. Did you know that digital assets, like websites and domain names, can be bought and sold just like real estate? Digital asset flipping is one of the more unique and potentially profitable ways to make money online in 2026. Similar to flipping houses, you can buy underperforming digital assets, such as niche blogs with some existing traffic, small newsletters, or memorable domain names, improve them, and then resell for a profit. This business model allows you to identify undervalued assets that have the potential for growth. For example, you could buy a blog in a specific niche that has some organic traffic, but isn't optimized for SEO or monetization. Once you improve its content, optimize it for search engines, and start monetizing it through ads or affiliate links, you can then sell the blog for a profit. Similarly, you could acquire a domain name with great branding potential, such as one suitable for a new tech startup, and sell it at a higher price to interested buyers. In 2026, brandable domain names are particularly valuable, as new tech startups and entrepreneurs are on the lookout for short, memorable names to establish their online presence. Domain flipping can be done with relatively low upfront costs, and it doesn't require any hands-on management like traditional businesses. It's all about finding the right assets, improving them, and selling them for a higher price. This strategy not only allows you to make money quickly, but it also provides the opportunity to build a long-term portfolio of digital assets that can generate steady returns. With the right research and improvements, digital asset and domain flipping can become a highly profitable venture. 5. Online tutoring or microcourses. Do you have expertise in a subject like math, coding, or even a hobby like photography? If you enjoy teaching, then online tutoring or offering microcourses is a fantastic way to monetize your knowledge. With platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Udemy, you can connect with students and provide valuable lessons right from the comfort of your own home. One of the easiest ways to get started is by offering tutoring services through video calls. You can teach a wide range of subjects, from language skills to test preparation, or even offer specialized coaching in areas like career development or fitness coaching. The demand for online tutoring is growing rapidly, especially as more students and professionals seek flexible, expert-led learning experiences. Plus, you can set your own schedule and rates, giving you the flexibility to work as much or as little as you want. For those seeking a more passive income model, creating microcourses is a great option. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable allow you to create and sell courses on specific topics that students can take at their own pace. The beauty of this approach is that once the course is created, it's available for 24/7 access, and you earn money every time someone enrolls. To increase the value of your courses, focus on creating high-quality, informative content that offers real value. As you build a loyal student base, you can increase your course prices and expand your offerings. Over time, your passion for teaching could turn into a long-term income stream. Whether you choose live tutoring or creating pre-recorded content, this method allows you to make a positive impact while earning money. And there you have it, 5 digital income streams you can start this month. From affiliate marketing to online tutoring, there are plenty of ways to turn your skills into cash without leaving your home. These methods allow you to earn money immediately, and with a little consistency, you can build lasting income streams. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it with friends, and subscribe for more actionable advice on building your digital income. Let's start earning money online and working toward financial freedom together.